Dear friends, today we will design irrigation channel by LACEY's theory. So this is a numerical. I will explain you step by step how to solve this numerical as per the data given. Design an unlined alluvial canal section to carry a discharge of 10 meter cube per second. The discharge is given 10 meter cube per second. The longitudinal slope is 1 in 4000 and the side slope is given 0.5 horizontal is to 1 vertical. Use LACEY's theory. The silt factor F is given 0.9. So I have written here data. Given data, discharge is 10 meter cube per second. Longitudinal slope S is 1 upon 4000. Then side slope 0.5 H is to 1 vertical, and then silt factor which is given F is equal to 0.9. So this is the data given. Now step by step procedure. The first step to find this particular is to determine the hydraulic mean radius in term of longitudinal slope. In our numerical, the longitudinal slope is given. So formula for longitudinal slope is the mean radius gyration R is equal to, in term of longitudinal slope, R is equal to F to the power cube upon 4980 into S its whole square. So this is a standard formula which you have to use for longitudinal slope. This is a standard formula. So when longitudinal slope is given, you can find out hydraulic mean radius gyration by using this formula. So hydraulic mean radius is equal to F cube upon 4980 into S its whole square. So in our numerical, silt factor is given 0.9. 0.9 we substitute over here, and the longitudinal slope S is equal to 1 by 4000 that we have substitute over here. So by solving this, we will get R is equal to 0.47 meter. Now step number 2, we have to calculate the weighted perimeter. And weighted perimeter, for that the standard formula P is equal to 4.75 under root of Q. Q is the discharge. Discharge is given 10 meter cube per second. Now we substitute in this equation that 10. So P is equal to 4.75 root of 10. You will get the perimeter is 15.02 meter. Now the next step is you have to find out weighted area of channel. Now we have another formula of hydraulic mean radius is equal to R is equal to A upon P. So this A we can calculate. A is equal to P into R. So I have written area is equal to R into P. R is the hydraulic mean radius and P is weighted perimeter. We have calculated both. Substituting the value of R and P, R is equal to your 0.47 and P is equal to 15.02. We got area is equal to 7.06 meter square. Now next step is to find the dimension of trapezoidal channel. So now here the dimension of trapezoidal channel means it has the base width B, it's having the depth of water, that is Y, and this only the dimension, the width, base width and depth of water is the dimension of the irrigation channel, and the side slope of irrigation channel is 1:half, 1 vertical and half horizontal. And from this formula we will get this side slope. For 1 vertical, your Y is vertical 1 and horizontal is half, so your this will be Y by 2. If this vertical distance is Y, so this horizontal distance is Y by 2. And from this Y and Y by 2, you will get this inclined hypotenuse, that is Y by 2 root of 5. And from these equations we can find out perimeter. So perimeter is this B width, this side and this side. So this width is B, plus 2 times of this 2 inclined side. So 2 into y by 2 root 5. This 2 get cancel and you will get perimeter is equal to b plus y root 5. So we have this particular equation in which perimeter is known to us. This is your perimeter which is known to us. So I substitute in this equation p is equal to 15.02 is equal to b plus y root 5. So we can find out in this particular equation that b in term of root 5. So I have taken b over here. B is equal to this 15.02, and when I take this over here, that is minus y root 5. So this is my equation 1 of width in term of y. Now after this we can calculate the area. Now weighted area is equal to the area of this particular rectangular portion. This is a rectangular portion which is b into y. So this middle one is rectangular portion b into y, and area of this side triangles. So this height is y, and y by 2 plus y by 2 means 1 by half y into y square. So here this area of triangular portion is half y square. Like this we will get the area of trapezoidal triangle. So now we will substitute area. Area we have already calculated. Area is equal to 7.06. We have substituted here area is equal to 7.06. And then here in step 2 we calculate width. Width is equal to 15.02 minus y root 5. We substitute in this equation this width from equation 1 into this y plus half y square. So in this entire equation only y is unknown. So now by solving this, by simplifying this 7.06 is equal to this y into 15.02, this y into this y square minus root 5 y square plus 1 by 2 means find 5 y square. Simplifying this, root 5 y square plus 0.5 y square is equal to 1.736 y square. Rearrange the equation. We will get the quadratic equation. Solving the quadratic equation, we will get two value of y. One is y is equal to 0.49 and another one is y is equal to 8.19. So it's too much height which is not practically possible. So this is not a valid value. We'll consider valid value is equal to 0.49. So we got the value of y. Then this value of y, when we substitute in equation of b, we'll get the width. So we'll substitute this value of y in equation of width. B is equal to 15.09 minus y root 5. So we substitute the value of y over here 0.49 and we'll get the width is equal to 12.12 meter. This is the final section. Your width is 16.12 and depth is 0.49. So like this we can design the irrigation channel by using LACEY method. Thank you. I will attach the PDF of this in our description. Thank you.